They kind of gave a lot of details, why I would like to show the clip that he really gave a lot of information about, what was happening with the circumstances, and also the fact that there has been no reason for this arrest. There has been no justifiable reason, and that the government is basically searching for a reason to arrest a student, but create this pattern of saying this is what's going to happen. If you do A and B, if you allow willful actions of protest, if you allow your students to voice their opinions, if you allow them to decimate that to others, as in the communication system, as in organizing, educating other people to the problem, then those freedoms will be taken away, and you will be taken away, and we will remove you and deport you. Today is also his live hearing. So right now there's a hearing going on, which I wish I could rebroadcast, because he's going to be deported. Now, he was originally sent to New Jersey, but activists and organizers and his wife, and I think his family, has already said that he's not at that facility. And then the deportation also, the facility said that they were removing him to Louisiana. Now, this happens a lot with immigration detention because of the Patriot Act. They basically don't have to give any information about a person's custody because they're considered not a citizen. And so this becomes a sort of black hole. Immigration detention is almost, like we call it the criminalization system, where they criminalize you and then put you into the system of immigration.
Dealing with the emergency motion for Mr. Khalil's legal team to have more access to him. As you know, the Trump administration illegally detained and arrested Mr. Khalil, a lawful permanent resident of the United States and a Columbia Law University student. They whisked him away from his pregnant wife, his family, and his community in New York City, and transported him to an ICE detention center in Louisiana, initially without permitting him contact with his wife or his attorneys. Now, the Trump administration, as you said, admittedly is trying to deport Mr. Khalil because of his speech and protest in support of the human rights of Palestinians.